Welcome to First Affordable, the Glass Architects. Today we're in Gurnard on the Isle of Wight, where we've been installing 2 bespoke glass balustrades with this grey granite composite decking. I just want to explain to you how this has been installed. It's underneath the decking, a flat roof which has been felted, and then we've used the fiberglass paint, and we've used the structural fixing into the existing brickwork, and that comes through the composite decking. And then we install this stainless steel balustrade post with a stainless steel handrail. And this handrail will be up to 1100 high due to building regulations, so nothing can be below 1100. And each piece of glass is a safety paint which is held in by these glass brackets. And then the last piece will be this corner handrail that will then run in line into the existing property. So the strength and support will be on the top handrail. As you can see, looking over these stunning views.